Good day everyone, I am Judiel Andrea A. Gutierrez and I am going to teach you how to build a network in Etap software. So the purpose of this tutorial is to show the fundamentals of building and manipulating a one-line diagram in Etap. Various elements will be added to the one-line view and an introduction to equipment editors will be made. So attached here is will be the power system network that will be used for network building and analysis such as load flow analysis, short circuit analysis, and device duty check. So for this example, consider the power system network given in the figure, then build the network through Etap considering the specifications of each component indicated in the single line layout of the system. Accept all other default data and characteristics that are not specified in the figure. So aside from the given here, we also have a table where the other specs are given. So in here, the grid is supplying the bus bar with substation transformer named T1 rated at 20 MVA with 6% reactance and an X over R ratio of 17. So the bus bar under T1 is serving a lamp load, in which a lamp load is a combination of static and motor-operated load. Then at the same bus, we can see here a standby generator. Moreover, in another feeder, we have here a cable connected to another transformer T2, in which under the transformer T2's bus bar has several loads, both static and motor operated with induction and synchronous motor. While on the other side, we also have a 20 MVA transformer T3 with 6% reactance and an X over R ratio of 17, serving a bus bar 3, lamp load 2, and a 3 MVA transformer T4 that is connected to a bus 5 where it also serves several loads. Then, we can see here that there is a tiebreaker between buses below, and that is meant to connect the two sides for contingency condition. Moreover, you may notice that there are breakers before and after the equipment. So to sum it all up, the main problem is how is the power distributed under normal operating condition and under contingency condition. So when we say contingency condition, say for example, there is a scenario where the transformer T3 is down, so all the loads will be shouldered or taken care of by the transformer T1. So what will happen to the transformer T1? Its capacity is enough? Or what will happen to the voltage of the bus bars? So those are some of the questions that only fault analysis and through simulation like Etap can be addressed those issues. So moving on, let's start building the given network. So let's start building one line diagram. So first, click the edit button on the mode toolbar, which is here. And then on the AC edit toolbar, click the power grid. And then let's put it on the OLV. Next is select the bus icon and place it under or beneath the power grid. And then if needed, we can stretch this or expand it like this. And then connect the power grid to the bus. In adding a protective device, so let's have a high voltage circuit breaker here. And then insert it like this, and it will be automatically connected to the line. Right. And then after that, I want my circuit breaker to be like this one, and I want to see their ratings and current. So let's go to the display options, and then this is the circuit breaker, and check the rating and the current. So, yan. Then, arrange it like this. So, after that, we have two winding transformer under the bus 1. And then, all we need to do is to connect it and have another bus here under the transformer 1 and expand it like this again and connect it. And then, another high voltage circuit breaker to be placed here. So, note that if the bus bar is less than 1 kV, we need to use a low voltage circuit breaker. So, here it is. And as you can see, I will remove it. So, sa keyboard, delete. And then, let's go to System Dumpster. Makikita na natin siya dito. So, all we need to do is click Edit and then Purge para mawala siya sa system. And then, we have loads here under the bus 2. So, based on the given network, we have lamp load here. Then, connect to the bus 2. A generator here. So, ayusin natin. A generator here. So, we need to rotate it 180 degrees. So, like that. Ayusin lang natin. And then, we have here a cable. Then, connect it to the bus 2. And under the cable, it is connected to another transformer. So, as we can see here, we have a bus 3 in the connection of the cable and the transformer. And then on the other side, we also have a transformer here. So all we need to do is to copy it and paste it. Then connect it. So before anything else, i-ungroup natin to. And then another bus bar under the transformer. Name it as T3. This one, connect it. And then cable, copy and paste lang din. Copy and paste. Tingnan natin yung system. And then a lamp load over here. Lamp 2. And then let's have a bus bar under T2 and this is T4. And connect it. Ayusin natin yung circuit breaker natin here. Let's arrange it. The transformers. para neat siyang tingnan. And then, let's have a high voltage circuit breaker here. And then, as we can see on the given network, these buses are rated at 0.48. So since it is less than 1 kV, we put low voltage circuit breaker here. Then let's arrange it like this. And then on the loads below, let's have a synchronous motor. Connect it to bus above, and then induction machine, and another dump load there. So since these loads are also connected to 0.48 kV bus, we should put a low voltage circuit breaker here. And then on another bus below, we put the lump load for the induction machine, and then a synchronous motor. So we put also a low voltage circuit breaker. Then arrange it. So last but not the least, on our network building, we put a tie breaker here, a low voltage circuit breaker. So rotate it -90 degrees. And then let's connect it to the buses right here. And then arrange it. So it's finished. This is how you build a network in Etap. So that's all.